Welcome to today's edition of the AI Eye, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to the AI Eye podcast. For stock news today, GBT is developing cybersecurity threat modeling for its Avant AI, and NVRO Corp has announced a full market US launch for its AI-powered spinal cord stimulation system. Then we're going to take a look at some projections for the global mobile AI market. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on investorideas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so GBT Technologies Inc., which trades on the OTCPINK under the ticker symbol GTCH, has announced that it is further developing, through GBT Tokenize LLC, its Avant AI technology with the goal of performing cybersecurity threat modeling. This will see GBT Tokenize train Avant to analyze applications with the objective of identifying security requirements, pointing out threats and potential vulnerabilities, quantifying critical threats and vulnerabilities, and prioritizing remediation methods. Danny Rittman, GBT's CTO, explained, quote, "It is planned to include a breakdown of processes, databases, data flows, and trust boundaries. Our goal is for it to enable defense mechanisms development for authentication, data protection, confirmation, confidentiality, availability, and authorization. Because it understands structured and unstructured data, it could be trained to identify advanced attacks, analyze situations in real time, and provide remediation. We believe this can help minimize the risk of data breaches, cyber attacks, and other security incidents, and assist in protecting sensitive data, intellectual property, and other valuable assets." End quote. Next up today, NVRO Corp., which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol NVRO, has announced the U.S. full market launch of its AI-powered HFX-IQ spinal cord stimulation, or SCS, system. This follows the completion of a successful limited market release. HFX-IQ, according to the press release, combines clinical inputs such as pain relief and pain score, along with quality of life inputs such as pain medication and activity level changes to provide an individualized program setting for each patient. Usman Latif, an interventional pain specialist who practices at the University of Kansas Medical Center, comments, quote, "This is an exciting time in spinal cord stimulation, better waveforms, more conditions we can treat, and a massive treasure trove of patient data. The way forward in this field is precision medicine powered by big data and artificial intelligence." End quote. Leaving stocks for the day, we'll take a look now at a report published by Allied Market Research, which finds that the global market for mobile AI is projected to grow from $8.56 billion USD back in 2020 to $84.8 billion by 2030, registering a compound annual growth rate of 26.44% in the forecast period running from 2021 to 30. An excerpt from the report's overview section outlines some trends impacting the market's growth. Quote, "Factors such as the high demand for artificial intelligence in smartphones, rise in demand for AI-capable processors, and rising investment in AI technologies are driving the mobile AI market's growth. AI technology is widely used in many groundbreaking applications in industrial, automotive, and video gaming. Now, the smartphone industry has also started using AI technology, and it goes far beyond applications such as digital assistants. Several mobile manufacturing companies are competing to develop AI features for smartphones according to the needs of users. However, the high pricing of artificial processors is a major restraint to the global mobile AI market's growth." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. To learn more about GBT Technologies Inc., please visit gopherprotocol.com or visit the InvestorIdeas.com profile page at investorideas.com/co/GOPH. And for disclosure purposes, GBT Technologies is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.